Langfuse versus LangSmith. In this 2025 comparison, we will see which tool is better for tracking and debugging LLM prompts, so make sure to like and subscribe. So, let's compare their purpose and features. Langfuse is built for prompt tracking, logging, and analytics with strong visualization tools to monitor how prompts perform over time. While LangSmith by Anthropic is also about prompt management, but it integrates end-to-end AI application testing and error tracking. Next is their analytics. Langfuse offers granular analytics showing token usage, latency, and success rates for each prompt. On the other hand, Langsmith's analytics are solid but more focused on debugging and model performance testing than historical trend analysis. Next is their ease of integration. Langfuse works well with multiple LLM providers, and it has clear SDKs, while LangSmith integrates seamlessly if you are already using Anthropic models, but it may require more setup for cross-platform usage. Next is their collaboration. Both platforms support team collaboration, but Langfuse emphasizes data-driven optimization and LangSmith emphasizes safe and reliable deployments. And lastly, its pricing. Langfuse pricing is usage-based and affordable for smaller teams, while LangSmith pricing leans toward enterprise budgets, but it offers strong security and compliance. So for final verdict, you can choose Langfuse for detailed analytics and optimization, and you can choose LangSmith if you want a safe, integrated environment for production-grade AI apps. And that's all. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.